Good morning, students, and hello, parents. I welcome you all in drawing class of Standard 3. Students, we are going to learn today to draw a bird that is named crow, and the picture of this crow is going to be found in your favorite drawing book, which is Art Express, on page number 24. I know you all are eagerly waiting to learn how to color or draw any given picture in this class. In your drawing book, over there, you have seen various dotted lines are drawn which need to be joined by you, and the picture of a crow needs to be completed by you children. So let's learn how to join these dotted lines and finish the picture of a crow. But before that, I would like to show you something. Children, this is a crow, and as you can see, the color of this bird is black. Apart from that, this crow is also known as a nature cleaner. A crow is known as a nature cleaner because a nature cleaner is that animal or a bird which helps in keeping our environment clean by eating all the leftovers. Now you have got another word over here, leftover. What does the word leftover mean over here? The word leftover means, children, anything which has been half eaten. Sometimes we also eat our food, but due to certain emergencies or due to certain work, we leave our food in between and we leave it half eaten. So anything which is half eaten, that is called leftover, children. So such leftovers or the dead bodies of the any dead animal, these all are being finished up by these birds, and crow is one of those. Crow also eats roti. It eats various kinds of vegetables, as well as it also catches various small animals or it hunts them in order to get their flesh. Now, after understanding all these facts about a crow, it's the time to learn how to draw a crow and color it afterwards. Now, as you can see on my left side, there is a finished picture of a crow. But in your drawing book, you are going to find the incomplete picture with few dotted lines. Now, these dotted lines need to be joined, and later the picture of a crow needs to be completed, and then it should be colored with black color. Now, after that, you can see over here, I have drawn a picture of a crow which looks similar to this one on my right side. And if you just notice this picture, you will find out that these are the dotted lines which I was talking about earlier. Such kind of picture you are going to find in your drawing book also. You'll be finding that the beak of this crow as well as the feathers of this crow is drawn with help of dotted lines. Now what you need to do? You need to join these dotted lines and you need to complete the feather as well as beak. But keep this in mind that after finishing this beak as well as feather, we are not going to get the full picture of a crow. So for that, you need to draw with a continuous line as I have drawn already in this picture to draw a full picture or complete picture of a crow with other body parts such as the feathers, the tail, the legs, the claws and eyes too. As you can see, I have a pencil in my hand, and with this pencil I am going to join these dotted lines of the beak as well as feathers, children. So let me do it. As you can see, I am joining these dotted lines. I'm making the lower part of the beak by joining these dotted lines. So till here we have joined the dotted lines and try to complete few portions or the parts of the crow. Now it's a turn to join these dotted lines to make a feather or to complete the figure of a feather of this crow. Children, you need to be very much alert and you need to make your hand move in a particular way by following these dotted lines, representing the lower part of the wings of this crow. So you have seen how I have joined all these dotted lines to complete the picture of few parts of a crow. And after joining these dotted lines, children, you need to draw all these parts or the boundary or the outline of this crow with your pencil just by looking at the final picture. So after finishing our drawing, it's a time to have a fun with colors. And I know you all are desperately waiting to color this crow. So without wasting our time, let's start. After joining these dotted lines with pencil, let's draw the outline of it with a black crayon. So we have finished joining these dotted lines finally with our black crayons. So as you can see, the drawing of our crow has completed and it's a time to color it. So as we all know, color of a crow is black, children. So let's color it with a black color. So children, in this way, we have completed the coloring of the upper part of this crow. Now it's a time to color the lower part, which includes this legs as well as the claws. So since we all know the color of the claws of a crow is of black color, so this will be also colored with a black color only. The beak. So what will be the color of the beak, children? You guessed it, correct. We can color it with a black or it can be of a grey color also. So let's use grey color over here to bring a contrast. So in order to color the beak of this crow, I am using a grey color. Children, this is a grey color. Now I am using this red color to color this portion of the beak. Finally, I am using black color to color the eyebrow of this crow and the eye of this crow. So in this way, children, we have finished the coloring of this beautiful crow. So I hope that you all have learned how to draw a crow through this video. So thank you, parents and my lovely students.